How to make a double crochet.
Here, I finished my row.
I'll make 2 chain stitches to create a double crochet. I turn my work yarn over my hook. Insert it into the last stitch of the previous row, not into the chain stitches, but into my work. I pull up my hook and I have 3 loops. I pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Now I have 2 loops left on my hook. I pull the yarn through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, pull up, go through the first 2 loops and go through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, pull up, 2 loops, 2 loops. There you go.